how to recover deleted call history on iPhone. So if you have all of these call history deleted right here and you want to restore it back again, then things you want to consider is that first of all, go to settings, and after you go to settings, click on your name right here in the first option, and then go to iCloud. Click on iCloud backup, the second option, and right here your iCloud backup has to be turned on, right? So if you didn't have your iCloud backup turned on and you deleted the contact history, then I don't think there's a possible way that you can restore your call history again. But if you did back up your iPhone and then you deleted your call history, this is a method you have to try out. Go to the settings section first, slide down and go to general, slide down and then click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now click on erase all contents and settings. So after you do this, click on continue and you should fill up your passwords and things, right? And then they'll ask you if you want to restore your things or if you just want to keep it or erase it all. And after you do that, your iPhone will be as good as new, right? And then after you enter your Apple ID into your iPhone, then you should have your contacts restored again. And then that's it. That's how you recover deleted call history on your iPhone. Just remember that your backup should be done before you deleted the call history on your iPhone. So that's it for today. That's how you do it. Thank you very much.